Akasa metina ye frem kwaku Jesse Bonsu na me ni menua bema obetumi abodi obani
kwaku mo hofe
kwaku na etizen
ye wo adarum
na am said this weekend some bebre akoso ewo social media ye efua Schwarzenegger ne esiniku no akoche no na ensema akoso no bebre wo social media yesi ya che no ebisi say na ye amafo de na me mahwe video no yie pa dem se Ghana for nsamba bebre na ye nyina nya ade a ye tu ye bu ahwehwe nsem na mom no kasa ene ye de video no wahwe
mahwe ni
na o hwe ye na etu say
kwaku me de so de aba ma me kyerɛkyerɛ mu kyerɛ sa ade we ya ba ye krom yi me ya ma dwe sa me nka ho asɛm because me hunu ne nokura wo me hunu ne farba ade no aye me sɛ obi na afua no no pese wo ye bibi me de ma dwe mu pa de we extra kyerɛ me sɛ nyama na ware no kro ware nyama na nya ware nya dia ono obi ma no mo ware ye so bi ne ne ye
adenti
de omo ye no said the first as nigga ni nyina ni mono no she does things controversially to make money to make a name be pure be ye controversial eno ano no so o dey any living enti no o ha ne se ni jadumu a no create bibi
na o person chese o person chese
yeah me person me try this video no kra aba no intro
fake in fact and me mama say o can say fake because me video we buy no ma sheda ahwe video no enua na mo tie ye baby a mo behwe clip will be video will be no me pesa ye share mo say video no stage video bi a omo share da efua Schwarzenegger any nikunu any omo ka ho nyina omo share da na omo stage ye na we will prove the point to you kwaku oni me agene
me no ya agene pa kwaku onim asade ye kan ka me ye ma adwesa me nka ho asem until say catch bi kura be kasem bi say de entira me pese me kire mu matie for to say ye ti kura try ye pese ye kan bi ni say who is a Schwarzenegger said ye catch ne be kan Ghana for say ya hwe yi a we will always be jubilating a very stupid thing bi bia fa so ni su bia no na eno ana ye de social media project
obi aka nwase
chese obi atama no de abeto phone so na o de view data
in the first place na answer na obeka no obi a de view data but answer na mo ye beka nwase no mami ka bibi ncho the reason why we think say make we Jesse Bonsu a me think say fake and they say one acid no enye acid anani boa
ebe da acid you obetumi do say tu acid
exactly because acid me share video no ade a me hu ya no say acid bottle na obema ni kuta no ya unity no ena ni kokromoti den esi so say acid a enko ntumi mfa ni kokromoti
and if you are so stupid so wonimu say ade a acid no ntumi mfa wonsa enti ani
fine but then again no answer na no this is number 1 number 2 efua Schwarzenegger obi a yesi ye be hwie acid egu so no watumi anante ekowura bathroom waduprum owie a owie
wanko she bathroom no mu aloko ne ho antuprum kura se onipa no be hwe acid na gu so no amen wanye sa entinu is she really in danger was she
say really say acid
was she really in danger
I don't know
she wasn't no when you say she wasn't really in danger because obi a wo in danger mu so wonya kwan ekose da bi mu a obetuprum
exactly
no so wanye sa okosa by ebe boy amane say she's naked
anu na
true
anu ye no
na huru say the phone o mi aso de
exactly atiefo amotie say wa wo hwe efua Schwarzenegger for video ni nyina me pa jo bomodi na hwe up to 1 minute 23 seconds 1 minute 23 seconds efua Schwarzenegger mobile phone na okuta no omia so e de recording adenti no obi a sebeta frache
you are in danger
ye be
mobile phone wo dwane
egu so no opie free bathroom e be gina ho be hwe camera mu e press ni mobile phone kwaku uhwe
kwaku o ka we nyina awi a mami nyi baabi ma o de me se baabi wo ho a oberima ben ana wati in advance so obi fa ne na all buy no the evidence ayo oberima wo fa wo yere no ono kura no concentrate on so na mom ne yire no woni mu no ono no concentrate on so the camera dan so. Is it really true say na o gidi sa kwa no e fa na yire ase say sa kwa no o ma na fa ne ho adi a obi anim nipa no
Osha botaya esi video esi efua Schwarzenegger ene omo wo video no botaya esi omo ani so omo betumi dia ye video ene say
opese
because
efua akwakume yiwa no na say so obi ante afu anka
yeah be
na say no ko di NDC fu achi kakra
yeah
ana no nso so NDC fu ansa ma power ti say obi ante ne nka bi o na no awu abawa we ko twa ni video no be kasa kakra be twa ne mpoa my friend say Rashida Black Beauty. If you will be anti afu anka bio. Enti no, o sister said me catch her no. She has to create something. Now about social media. Enti no, she got to do something. And I'm feel say man adia woman say sa cratch na warrior on any warrior. I don't think say never. Me feel say digina was stage. Let me do it and let people know say me so my worry. So we try cratch this can no dey. How could it be possible say oba ni kuna be kire no anya bibia anka say where dey ni kura me ne wo ye no me koji loan
ena be tia
e so what who could be say say but you know question kura no be say na de no eyi na no it doesn't matter
enti botaya esi so na say
de wo mu an say de no mo ye no ma ware re nya ware is as reach a time ha asese obi a twene ho obi a tete no and it don't must DBB but it have to be something na obi abeti asese timi egu aware
but me kwaku Jesse Bonsu ade a medwene se omode ye sabotaye di video echi eye amanfo a mo click e wo social media Facebook YouTube any no ma mo hwe yi because this can make them money for the rest of their life because a YouTube na enya hate advert ebebaso advert batwa ombenyeska they've sat down plan and omo yesa video we if what Schwarzenegger at the end of the day in the body nice obi a hwe bi ana meboa
kwaku there be person me kire on say listen this girl all she does is to create something out of social media and make money and you know this is one of the hits and it's going to be hit because almost every Ghanaian want to say it. No one would hear to
exactly.
She is creating it more and more and more. I don't know make us see new be. Edinya sasama ba no bisa Ghana for say. Why do we even waste our time on such stupid things? You know, why do we me obia a hating before na animality? A hating before na animality. Say now say be program akwa ko me share down share sa clip no from the end to end that.
Open na me pacho me say to be so acid ana.
Abi we dey be that acid. We
ndua. Acid a shake kakra me na me no.
Ndua ho hai edidi enkomo.
Me pacho inde shake acid no kakra me na.
Kakra bi edidi enkomo. Wa hu. Na said ndimu no was afraid you. Ye betra ha ye no sabi ye we ba bi ye we fie we ndua ho.
And the way the Schwarzenegger you say acid ehye hwe ngwe enum na emo ekoye enum ma mentese acid
enti kwaku media de medi twatro ye ma ye kasa anya tententi se Ghana fo yen say ye bre eni yen sika eni yen data e wo ne ma papa ho de na nakufu ado de ba yesu wo ye school feeding program no adwen ho no ahwe ba bi a fa se wo ka ho asem ho abi kura na natia obeye ba bi yie no ba bi a betimi dia about the child criticism is good for a nation building criticizing no ba bi a wo fa se ye no be chire mu nchire o de bi kura no no ote a obeye bibi yi enum ni niam asese ye ka ho asem
na de mo yen sem fun
enye sem fun we nu
ofa je acid we na no na hwe etesi si acid ana
emuye
e de tiefo acid no enhu ani memo bia na ada e for Schwarzenegger or the way adane wo acid yen fa way and na wo acid
ye wa pele nu nyina ye stage
anom ye hwese
mo hwe clip ni ye na mo hunu se is all stage eye mo se oba bia ni ho a obegu ni ho ani ma se say a for Schwarzenegger will do it just for the money.
Yeah, the massive. Bye bye.